warm welcome to King in Kitchen. Today I am going to show you one more weight loss recipe from the Mission Slim Possible weight loss program. So today I am going to make healthy garlic mushroom for you. All of you know that mushroom is very healthy and very beneficial for weight loss. But let me tell you one fact. Do you know that 100 gram of mushroom gives only 22 calories? And even if you consume 200 gram of mushroom, you will be having only 44 calories. And you can compare it with 1 cup of milk tea. Apart from weight loss, there are also other many health benefits of mushroom. Let me share 6 main health benefits of mushroom with you. Mushrooms are loaded with calcium, which helps in strengthening of bones. The problem of osteoporosis and joint pains can be rectified to a large extent by including mushroom into the diet. Mushrooms consist of powerful antioxidant which prevents the cell from damage by dangerous oxygen molecules called free radicals. Mushrooms are high in fiber and helps in lowering the blood glucose level, and in turn their insulin levels are under control. It is good for those who are suffering from diabetes. Mushrooms are very high in fiber, potassium and vitamin C, which are good for the cardiovascular system. Potassium helps to control blood pressure, hence consumption of mushrooms can help with lowering the blood pressure and help prevent heart diseases in the long run. Selenium, which is found in mushrooms, helps to strengthen the body's natural immune system and fight against infections. And if you are looking for diet tips to lose weight, you must consider to include fresh mushrooms in your diet. Mushrooms are high in fiber and triggers quick weight loss. Mushrooms make you feel fuller and helps you curb hunger. To make sauteed garlic mushroom, first we need to heat a pan and then add 1 tablespoon of butter. And when the butter starts melting, we will add chopped garlic. Here I am using a garlic crusher. If you have a garlic crusher, you can use that, or else you will have to chop the garlic very nicely. Then we will saute the garlic for a couple of minutes. You don't have to allow it to turn to brownish, because then that will give a very sour taste. Then we'll add half teaspoon of chili flakes. Adding chili flakes at this stage is very important to give it a very smoky flavor. Now we'll add the mushrooms which I have cut it into half. I am using 200 gram of mushroom here. Toss it gently. You can even use a spatula so that the butter is completely coated in the mushroom. At this stage we will add a little bit of salt, one-fourth teaspoon of black pepper powder, give it a nice stir, or you can also toss it. Now we will place the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. We are not adding any water here, as you know that mushrooms have 92% of water content. So when you cook in slow flame, it will naturally release the water, and you can see that it has released the entire water. I have not added a single drop of water here. Now we will increase the flame little bit and let the water dry out. After sauteing for a few minutes, the water has been dried out and our sauteed garlic mushroom is ready. It's very quick and easy to make. I hope you will have enjoyed this recipe for weight loss. Do try this at home and let me know the feedback in my comment box. If you want to know how to cook healthy and nutritious food and lose weight, then do subscribe to my channel King in Kitchen or you can join my Telegram group King in Kitchen. I will share the link in the description box below. Thank you.